Well, we're moving the cars outside. We're going to do a couple of photo shoots. We're going to put all the black cars, a black 55, black 56, and a black 57 in one area. And then behind the backdrop you see over here with the sky background, we're going to take the red 57, the blue 57, and this white 56, this pearl white 56, and pair them up together. So once we've done that, then we're going to move back inside and photograph this pearl white 57 and get that on the turntable and wrap up the photo shoot for the day. So we're just seizing the opportunity with the great background that we have, the great backgrounds we have, and all these great cars we have, and great people who've just been kind of hanging out with us and just taking it easy with us and enjoying each other's company. Of course, talking cars and stuff like car guys do, and just enjoying the time together. So great time. Good pictures, great cars, everything, just an awesome day. It's wrapped up to be. This is Mike from Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you from the Red Gum Studios. So stay tuned for some more. We've just got more to come. I mean, and we just keeping the creative ideas going. So we'll bring you lots more beautiful pictures here.